In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook ad post in Canva for real estate. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable process so you can create a polished ad that looks professional and converts. First, log into Canva and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Real Estate Facebook Ad Post. This pulls up preset sizes and layouts tailored for Facebook, which saves time and helps your design fit the platform perfectly. Spend a minute browsing the template library. Use the filters for style, color, or layout to narrow down ideas. If your brand leans modern, filter for minimalist styles. If you want something bold, filter for vibrant colors. Choose a template that matches your property type and the mood you want to convey. Now, add your property visuals. Upload high-resolution listing photos, or, if you're still gathering images, you can use Canva stock photos to stand in. Drag and drop your images into the template frames or place them directly on the canvas. Use the crop tool to focus on key features, and try photo effects like brightness and contrast to make details pop without over-editing. Clean, well-lit photos will instantly elevate your ad. Next, customize your text and branding. Start with a clear, compelling headline such as Luxury Condo for Sale or Dream Home Awaits. In the body text, include the standout features, the location, and the price if you're sharing it, along with a direct call to action, like DM to view or click to learn more. Keep sentences short for readability. Add your logo and apply your brand colors using hex codes with the color picker so everything stays consistent. Include your social handles for recognition, and choose legible fonts with good contrast against the background. Refine the layout to guide the viewer's eye. Use the drag and drop editor to reposition text boxes, images, and graphics until the hierarchy feels natural. Add icons, shapes, or stickers from Canva's media library to highlight benefits like bedrooms, parking, or nearby schools. Try layered effects by arranging elements forward or backward and adjusting transparency for depth, while maintaining clean spacing and alignment. When your design is ready, click Share and then download. Choose PNG or JPG for a high-quality image file. Finally, upload the downloaded file to Facebook Ads Manager to set up your campaign, ensuring your objective, audience, and budget match the goal of your ad. That's it, your real estate Facebook ad post is ready to go live. Thanks for watching.